home today with a 3-question homework page as well as formative loop and a fundraiser page for pickles, blow pops, and pixie stick. Those items will be delivered on Friday, so if you can turn in your money throughout the rest of this week, and they will be delivered on Friday to take home. On this 3-question page, I do want to help get you set up, but we won't solve it together. For our first question, we need to find the area and perimeter of the shape below. So we notice that it is a rectangle. In a rectangle, the opposite sides are equal and congruent. So we know if this width is 12, so is the opposite side. And if we have a length of 7, the opposite side is also 7. Now, to find the area of that shape, it's the inside. We're going to multiply our length times width. So we'll plug in our equation and then we will solve for our area. Now, we can set that up as 12 times 7 with a standard algorithm where we multiply the ones place, carry anything over, multiply the diagonal, and then add anything that we carried over and then bring it down here. Or we can solve using the partial product method, meaning I'm going to take this 7, I'm going to make a strict diagram, and I'm going to decompose and break apart 12 according to place value. So it has 2 1s and 1 10. Well, 1 10 is worth 10, and 2 1s is worth 2. It's just broken apart into 10 plus 2. 2 easier numbers to multiply. So I'm going to put my line separating each of those 2 factors. I'm going to put my multiplication symbol to the corner. And then your student right here, they can go ahead and solve 10 times 7, put their product here, and then multiply 2 times 7 and put their product here. Now we have 2 partial products. We need to put them together to form the whole, the total. So whatever they got here and here, they're going to add to find their product. Now for the perimeter is the distance around a figure going along the outside. So to find the perimeter, it's the rim, it's the outside, we add all sides. So we add 12 plus 7 plus 12 plus 7. And they can add 2 at a time and keep adding until they've added all 4 sides. Number 2, we have a word problem. Mrs. Pringle has 9 cans of sour cream chips and 7 cans of cheddar chips. So 2 different types of chips, but still chips. Each can, every single can, cost $3. How much did she pay for the chips altogether? Now in the question, it's not asking just about sour cream or just about cheddar. It cares about all of the chips altogether. So here, if they're not understanding what they just read, we could draw the 9 cans of sour cream and the 7 cans of cheddar. Well, each can, every single one of these cans costs $3. So I have 3 in each group. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 groups. Or 16 times 3. Now they can count each one of these one by one. Or they can solve 16 3 times, just as we did up here with the standard algorithm. Or by breaking apart that 16 into 10 plus 6 and multiplying it by 3. And then this would be the number all together for the price, for the cost. Number 3, we have a word problem again. It says to draw a strip diagram. That's our part whole map to show our word. So Mrs. Spud has 386 Mr. Potato Head toys and 402 Miss Potato Head dolls. How many dolls does she have combined? So I'm putting these together. So I'm combining 386 and 402. So if I write that out in my equation, that's 402 plus 386. Now if we put that in a strip diagram, I'm putting these two parts together to find my total. So my strip diagram, I'm going to plug in 402 and 386. I'm going to show my work off to the side and then combine them all together to form, these two parts together form the total, and then you would put your answer here. So we are going to have a 3 to 4 question homework every day this week, as well as formative loop. Let me know if you have any questions and if we can have this turned in tomorrow. Thank you and have a good night.